order to attract the opportunities and the resources that put you face to face with your actual ideal clients, it's important that you get crystal clear on who you want to attract. In addition, just as much as it isn't enough to simply say to the universe, I want a great client, the universe doesn't know what that means. It isn't enough to say, I want a thriving business, because a thriving business for one coach isn't the same for you. You want to map out exactly what your thriving business looks like. How many clients would you love? How many hours would you love to work? Your ideal income, and begin to put a plan in place to bring this goal and vision forth. I'm sure you've heard this quote, "No wind is favorable to the sailor with no destination in mind." Without clearly defined goals, it's as if we are a ship that has set sail without a destination. And I know you already know this, so it's very important to begin your coaching business having completed the work of defining what you would love your business to look like. Not tomorrow, not next week, but right here, right now with me today. It is time to set your destination. Go for what you would love. So think about that for a moment. Not just what you think is possible, not what you think you can have, but if you really tap into your heart, into your soul's longing for this business, what would you love? And here's the fabulous thing that we love about this and about your coaching business. You have the freedom to do what works best for you, what feels the most resonant for you in your coaching business. What's the underlying motivation or the driving factor for all of this? Of course, it's to make a difference in the lives of others, and often there are other goals, like having more free time to be with those that you love, like buying a new home, taking those that you love on a dream vacation, supporting your family and the people that you care about with all the things that they need. So when you connect your revenue goal, your income and clients goal to a reason why you want it, your desire for this dream and the action steps associated with it will absolutely skyrocket. You may already have a coaching business, or you may be brand new, or you may also be a professional who's adding coaching to a practice that you already have. What we're recommending here for you is to create what you would love. And then simply look at where you want your business to be in the next 6 weeks, in the next quarter, in the next year, and then reverse engineer the plan. Give yourself a crystal clear plan of action by writing it down and really creating your goals with dates and times and a schedule attached to that plan. This activity of writing all of this down is going to make you exponentially more successful.